Welcome to Math YouTube channel. In this class, I am explaining about angle between pair of lines represented by 2x square plus xy minus xy square plus 7y minus 2 equals to 0. Between the lines, this equation containing lines, pair of lines, that is two lines. How to find the angle? What is the formula for angle? First of all, the given equation is 2x square plus xy minus 6y square plus 7y minus 2 equals to 0. This is a given equation. But this equation wants to compare with other equation. This is number 1. Okay? Equation 1. Compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is number 2. Okay. Compare the coefficients of x square. Therefore, a equals to 2, b equals to minus 6, c equals to minus 2. Yes? Now, f. What is f? 2fy, 7 by 2. Next one, g. There is no x coefficient here, so g is 0. h. 2hxy equals to xy. xy cancel, h equal to 1 by 2. So this is the comparison. Now, what is the formula for angle between pair of lines? Formula for angle between pair of lines, cos theta equals to a plus b divided by a minus b whole square plus 4h square under root a plus b mod divided by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. This is number 3 equation. This is the formula for finding the angle between pair of lines. Please remember this. This is very important formula. Okay? Now, simply substitute the values, these values in this formula. That's all. Therefore, cos theta equals to a plus b mod a plus b. A plus b value. This is a, this is b. Divided by a minus b whole square. A 2 minus b whole square plus 4 into h square 1 by 2 square under root. That's all. Okay? Simplify this. 2 minus 6 plus into minus minus 2 minus 6, 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 6 8 square plus 4 into 1 by 4 under root 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4. 4 gets cancelled, minus 4 mod divided by 64 plus 1. You know, 8 square equals to 64. So Now minus 4 is nothing but which goes minus goes. Why? Because it is mod. By default it is plus 4 divided by 65 under root 2. That is cos theta. That implies theta equals to cos inverse of 4 by root 65. This is the required angle between pair of lines. Okay, in this you can find the angle between pair of lines. Here formula is cos theta equals to a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4s square. Please practice these formulas again and again. You can remember easily. Practice makes perfect. Mathematics always depends on practice. So, dear friends, practice these problems and formulas. Please remember carefully. Okay. Thanks for watching MathWeb YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel MathWeb and turn bell icons to get more information. Thank you.